Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your headphones Philips. So let's play some song. And right here at the right headphone we have two controls, what look like a plus and minus. So to increase, let me fix it, yeah. So to increase the volume you should press at the plus button. So just press on it, and as you can see right here we can see a widget. I'm just pressing and I increase the volume. You can also quick press to increase the volume, and to lower it press on the minus button. So again it's the same, press or quick press and you will lower the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.